As per usual, I am running late. I need to do a COVID test real quickly, and then I'm heading to a festival. My band are playing. Just so happens that I am redoing my website at the moment. I'm gonna go and take my camera and I'm gonna just bang off a bunch of photos and see if there's any last-minute portfolio bits that I can throw on there. Read this whole guide carefully before you start the test. The whole thing. Oh, I feel like I'm starting an OnlyFans. Oh, I've spelt it. So, good news, don't have COVID. So I need to go and pick up my wristband. Wristband it up. Free food for you boys. I'm in wrexham for, I would say, approximately an hour. There's a topless man fighting in the street. And honestly, that's the longest it's taken. How dope is this? First show back in about 20 seconds. Are you excited, Aaron?
First show back. I
had to listen to us on Spotify a lot on the way here because I feel like I might have forgotten some of the lyrics. Sweaty.
You were quite good.
Were we quite good? Is that on camera? We were quite. So I think I'm going to take some photos.